So this is a vessel dead blow hammer. It's an old one, nylon caps on it here. And I've rebuilt it 2 or 3 times. You can use plastics to rebuild this. We're going to start off by putting plastics just down in here. Don't need a lot down in there. And then we're going to line that up and push that on there hard. And then we're going to open this up. It's already been V'd out a long time ago. Lasts about 5 years. We're going to put plastics all down in here. And we're going to take and tape this tight together and let it sit. And then we'll fill it and put a new face on it. Just like that. So let it sit, and then we'll just fill this face all in with plastics and have it a brand new face better than this one. Okay, so we fixed the crack in this hammer and reaffixed it onto the metal part here. And we're going to reface this. I refrigerated the liquid, and you can mix plastics in a slurry. Just make it the consistency that you want. It's not real important. It doesn't have to be any specific mixture. Just get it to a slurry. And we're just going to pour this in here. Now we can do this in more than one step, but we have tape around the edges, and it'll reface this hammer. The last time we did this, it lasted 4 or 5 years. This hammer is 50 years old, but and I try to, when I put the hammer in the vise, I made sure that it's kind of level so that the face will end up being level and I don't have to grind on it or anything. And that's about it. We'll just let that sit and set up, and it'll have a nice, perfect face back on there when that dries in a half hour to an hour or so. Yeah, I just want to add another tip that when you use it for this application, to mix it in a slurry, you have to make sure you refrigerate the liquid in just your refrigerator, because otherwise it'll dry too quick and you won't be able to pour it. Okay, so here's this old vessel dead blow hammer that I had. There's nylon ends on it, and it's been repaired a couple times, but we showed on this side, we wrapped tape around there and then poured it in, and I put a new surface on it. And then the opposite side as well. It's all brand new, and that'll probably last another 4 or 5 years, and I could do it again. So it's all done now.